So tell the people who you are, say your name and what you're doing here at Sundance Film Festival.
So my name is Justin Peck. I am a professional race car driver. I'm a mental health advocate. I am the founder of the National Mental Health Alliance. What I'm doing here is with media.com, going over the reputation status of how reputation is supposed to work in normal society, right? With the normal social media type things that are going on, reputations can be ruined in an instant just by a single post. Media.com now has a platform where if someone says something erroneous about you, you at least have something like Media.com to be able to counteract what they're saying. So it's a huge thing for the reputation.
So the National Mental Health Alliance.
Yes.
That's a beautiful. I'm also an advocate for mental health.
Perfect.
I've written PSAs on suicide prevention.
Perfect.
And I think us talking together is amazing. And off camera, I want to talk to you about some things too. Perfect. And connect with you. Tell me what keeps you motivated and going. Mental health is such a vulnerable conversation. It's hard to talk about. A lot of people are embarrassed to talk about it, you know. What keeps you motivated?
The motivation comes, honestly, it comes from my children. So for me, I found out that I was a class 1 bipolar, not a candidate. I have class 1 bipolar, and I was diagnosed about 20 years ago. I have 4 children, and 3 out of my 4 children also suffer from some type of mental illness. So my motivation to keep this going is because we're always looking for a fix. We're always looking for a cure. We're always looking for something that can help the population become better. So for me, it's all about shedding love and light to the population so that when people are in the deep, dark despair moments, they at least have someone else to look to, right? I'm just a normal guy. I like to drive race cars. I tattoos, mohawk, right? I'm a man that's not supposed to cry. He's not supposed to have feelings. I'm done with the stigma. I'm done with that. So,
ending the stigma.
Right. So with me having that passion behind it, you can take a normal combat veteran, you can take another race car driver, guys that are supposed to be the rough and tumble, they can look at me and say, well, listen, if Justin can break down and express his feelings and talk about his mental issues, it's more of a safe space for them. It's not a therapist telling them that something's wrong. It's me saying, hey, look, guys, this is what happens, and these are the steps that you can follow to help.
Lastly, I would ask you, what else do you want people to know about what you're working on? How can they be in touch and keep up to date with the projects you're working on?
So social media, at Justin Peck 49. That's Instagram, Facebook's Justin Peck. Some of the projects I'm working on right now. So we've got 2 medical technology companies that we're just launching.
Congratulations.
They're amazing. It's going to be amazing. It's going to change the entire landscape of medical care. We are sick. I'm sick. A lot of the population is sick of having the mental illness, having substance abuse, having those things put on the back burner. Insurance companies don't even pay for mental health, right? So that needs to change in this nation. When people say, well, mental health is all in your brain, no kidding. It's a brain disease, right? And so I'm trying to bring awareness to all that. So with the medical technology companies that we're running and that I have, we're showing how medication management, how personal responsibility, how doctors and payers, insurance companies, everybody needs to be more responsible within the space. If we keep running it like we're running it now, this planet's not going to survive. We're going to go away. Just my opinion.
Justin, thank you for all the work you're doing. Thank you for your interview today as well.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.